Hey you, yes you, if the reason you click on this video is to make 2000 naira or even more daily using your smartphone as a student in Nigeria, you just click on the right video, and I will advise you to not skip any part of this video because it contains some basic information you need to earn using your mobile phone. In this video, I will be sharing how you can earn 2000 naira or even more in a day on your smartphone. This is a very legit and cool way of making money for yourself online if you can spare some time to do it. This is suitable for students, unemployed, stay-at-home moms, etc. As a student in Nigeria, employee, unemployed, corp member, you don't have to solely be dependent on anyone. You can start making money for yourself online by using your smartphone. Having multiple sources of income is the new deal, and I will advise you again to not skip any basic part of this video because it contains some important information you need to earn daily using your smartphone. Without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. Yes, for you to make money online, just do what I'm about to do right now, because without doing this, I didn't think you can make money online. First of all, like this video you are watching, click on the subscribe button, this subscribe button here, click on it, and immediately you click on the subscribe button, a bell icon will appear. Click on that bell icon and place it in all. After that, they will say you will get all notifications. Yes, then click here and click on more. Then the first link in the description, just click on it. We are in the Naira workers dashboard, so it will redirect us to here, which it just did. So input your first name to register, and my first name is Blessing. My last name is Nosakai. My username, you all know, Mr. Blessing. My gender, I'm a male, and my email address, I'll be using officialayo@gmail.com, and the referee, Mr. Blessing. So the password, you can input any password, but make sure the password is solid and remember the password. Yeah, and then you can click on sign in, but I will not be signing in to this account because they said creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, one account per person, so I can't be creating two accounts except my account will be damaged. So I'll be logging into my account to show you the next thing you need to do. So log in, and I'm about to sign into my account, and then here is the Naira worker dashboard. Once you create your account, it looks similar to this. Then they will say welcome Mr. Blessing, but in here they will say welcome your name, you see. And they said hire many random workers. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers, 250 sign-ups? You can run a small job and ask workers to like your Facebook post, watch a video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, retweet, follow, install Android app, and much more. So this description just said you can hire many random workers. So we that is looking for money will be working for this employer. So the other is perform simple or small task, and this will be our category here. We have to perform simple and small tasks to earn rewards. So as you can see, my balance here is 121 naira, job complete 1, pending balance 43 naira, pending task 0, job. I just withdrawed my money. I make 2,400 naira. I withdraw more than 2,300 and something naira. So that is just it. After creating this app, click on the three dots on the left side and go to your available job. As you click on the available job, the page will redirect us to something like this. Something like this. So we have to wait. So the page will redirect us to something like this. They said available jobs. Available jobs. Always check back for more jobs. As you can see, they said Telegram channel. I think this is the most recent job. Here's the most recent. They said Telegram channel. Look at the highest paying job here. If you want to make more money fast, just go to the highest paying and click on that highest paying job to see what they want us to do. So let's check it out. Here's the available job. They said always check back for more jobs. Same thing. You see, they said L credit free 1,800 instant withdrawal, and you will earn 300 once you complete a task related to this job. And the other one, same thing, 300. And you can see there are 22 people doing this job already, and they said 25. They need at least 25 people. That is it. But let's just complete a small job. Let me teach you how to complete your task. So go to the most recent, because this highest paying job, the higher the money, the the less, the higher the money, the higher the paying, the higher the job. So let's just go Telegram channel. Just click on this view job. They need 129 people to do this job. They need 129. They need 200 people to do this job, and 129 people already done this job. So what this job is all about is, they said join this Telegram channel and send a screenshot. After sending a screenshot, input your username in this box and choose the file here. Then submit proof. After doing that, before 24 hours, you will get paid. And just assume you do so many jobs like this. You first job, you did two, second job, you complete your task, third job, fourth job, and go to the highest paying. Once you complete one, 300 naira, two, 600, some is 500, some 1,000. Just imagine that. Before a day, you can even make up to 5,000. And I will advise you to do something for me. If you just watch this video to this very end, please do subscribe. Just like this post, subscribe and turn on post notification. I beg. This will really help me. Once you subscribe to my video, I'll be the happiest. Happiest, and I will teach you guys more ways to make money using side gigs and so many other platforms without even stressing yourself. Just subscribe and watch this video on the left. On the left side of the screen. How to create a PayPal account. Just watch it, and I will see you guys there.